You're watching How Leap. Let's turn on Instagram blend mode on your mobile phone. First, ensure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Open the Instagram app and navigate to your direct messages by tapping the paper plane icon. Open or start a chat with a friend you want to create a blend with. In the message input field, tap the sticker icon which looks like a smiley face. Scroll through the sticker tray until you find the blend sticker. It is a circular icon with a plus sign and two profile silhouettes. Tap the blend sticker to add it to the chat. You can then tap it to customize the name of your blend. Send the sticker to your friend by tapping the send button. Your friend must accept the invitation to join the blend. Once they accept, Instagram will automatically curate a shared playlist of music for both of you based on your listening habits. You can view and play this shared playlist directly within the chat. The blend will update regularly with new music recommendations. You can create multiple blends with different friends. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.